back to my channel, and I'm very grateful that you are here again. And for those who are new here, thank you very much for stopping by. So for today, please join me in unboxing my December 2019 Tribe Beauty Box. So what is Tribe Beauty Box? Tribe Beauty Box is a bi-monthly beauty and makeup subscription, and this is $34.99, and you will receive 5 full-size products. So what are we waiting for? Let's open this. And when you open it, oops, the card fell off. So the card is like this, and it tells you what's in the box and nothing at the back. So for December 2019, Tribe Beauty Box collaborated with Jessica. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but she's so pretty. Jessica. So that's her name, and this is how she looks like. There you go. And the first one that I'm seeing here in the box is, what is this? So there's 2 of this here, and this is the Sistine's Retinol and Collagen Cherub Mask, and this is $15.50, so probably that's for the 2 of this. And what is this? Key herbal agents, retinol and collagen, along with a natural blend of ingredients. Hydration is achieved and puffy eyes are eradicated. So this is for the eyes. I can feel there's 2 in each pack. So there's 4 here. Oh, sorry about that. So of course there's 2 in one pack, because this is for your hair, right? That's so silly of me. Okay, so this is $15.50. Okay, now the next one that I'm seeing here is, what is this? Oh, this is a brush set. Let's open this. And this is from, where is that? From Cleonad Cosmetics, and this is the 5-piece stained glass brush set, and this one is $24.50. I'm just gonna pull one. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh, this is really soft, and I'm gonna check. There's the dust again, and okay. There you go. This is so pretty. There. And there it is. Okay. And it's not like a light one. It's kind of heavy. Okay. So we're gonna put that back. So this must be for, you know, your powder or your blush thing. And there's like 4 more in here, and they're all the same. And these are the other brushes. Okay, so these are for the eyes. Okay, so much for that. Now the next one, which one am I gonna pull first? Okay, and this is from, this one is from Venus Gale Cosmetics, and this is the Vixen Potion. This one retails for $17.99. I don't know what this is. Intense pigment for an edgy chrome effect. Multi-chrome pigments are 35 times more expensive than regular eyeshadow formulas. They are truly amazing. And that's the top. Okay. Okay, what is this? It won't open. Oh my god. What is this? Ooh. So when I open it, There's these things on the side. Oh my god, this is open. The lid is open, and oh my, $17.99. No way. Look at this tiny thing. Who's gonna pay $17.99 for this? I think this price is, everything is in the box. Ridiculous. This is not even real. Like, the price is not even realistic for me. I don't know what's, I'm not familiar with this brand, but for $17.99, I'm not gonna waste my money on this. But luckily it's in my box, so I don't have to pay for that much for this thing. Okay, I'm not happy with this. I don't know what's this. Okay, moving on. The next one that I'm seeing here is, this is from Gerard Cosmetics. So I've seen a spoiler for this. So I think this is the one that I was hoping to get. And this is the Gerard Cosmetics Longwear Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick. Okay. Here you go. And okay, this one retails for $19. Oh, which one is the $19? What is, so this is the Mudslide, okay? And so this must be the one that retails for $20. A decadent and rich brown toned liquid lip that will give your look a sultry sophistication. Oh yeah, I think this is the one I was hoping to get, compared to the other one that I know I'm not going to be able to use. So let's swatch this. Okay, there it is. Oh my god. This is so nice. This one I can definitely use. So that's a shade. I like this. Okay, this one I'm okay, but it's kind of tiny though for $20. I don't know how much. I'm not familiar. I know this is getting known right now, but I haven't seen. Oh, this is cruelty free, by the way. And I don't have any Gerard Cosmetics, so I don't know anything about that. Let's wipe that. So the next one that I'm pulling here is, they're both in a bubble wrap. There's 2 items in a bubble wrap. And I'm just gonna, what is this? Oh, this is from there's a card here from that brush set. Okay. And this is a 20, Oh, so if you go to their website, you use the code TRIBE to save 15%. And this is the website, the CalionodCosmetics.com. Okay, so the next one here is this is from Makeup Geek. And this is a highlighter. So this one retails for $14.99. And what? Because there's 2 shades. Oh, so I got the psychedelic. I think this one you can choose which color do you want to get. So I chose the psychedelic. And this one is really heavy. It's not like a cheap plastic container. So, yeah. So this is really like, it's like a mirror at the top. Okay, when you open it, this is so shiny that everything reflects in the top. So there's a mirror here, a very good size mirror, and it's really nice. And let's cover that and I'll show you the shade. So this is the beautiful highlighter. I really like this. Should I swatch this? Because I have like 3 highlighters open right now. But okay, I'm not gonna swatch this yet, because although I want it, I'm gonna keep this. I'm really gonna keep this. Not probably, but I'm really gonna keep this. So that's what it is. And the packaging is really nice. So this one is, yeah, this one is worth it for $14.99. And that's the back. It says psychedelic. Okay, now this one I'm keeping. I'm so happy with this. Okay, this one, I don't know. But there's one more item here. And this is from Glamlite Cosmetics. And this is the Miracle palette. And this one retails for $20. And this one is 12 luxurious eyeshadows. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's take up this thing. And these are the shades. Every time I get a palette, they always have these things on the side. So maybe because they travel so far going here in the island, but I don't have the shades yet. So I love this. Ooh, I really love this. So I'm definitely keeping this. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, definitely keeping this. Should I swatch one? Let's swatch. Okay. So I'm gonna swatch this and this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna swatch one matte. Okay. Oh, it feels so soft. And that's the one. Okay, let's take this one off. Okay, that is the Superwoman. This one here. And then let's watch Butterfly. This one is the Butterfly. Okay. I'm not really good at swatching. So that's, ooh, I like that. And let's watch this Beautylicious. Okay. There. That's Beautylicious, the one in the middle. So I'm not gonna swatch everything though, but I really like this palette. So I'm happy with the palette. The only thing that I don't like in this box is, you know already, right? It's this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. So this might go to, I don't know. I might end up throwing this. I don't know, really. So that's everything in our box. So how much is everything? And again, this is $34.99 plus $3.99 shipping, and I only pay $25.99 for this because I signed up for their ambassador thingy, something like that. I will put everything later, how much is everything in the box, but definitely this palette already covered the cost of the box. So that's everything here. The palette, the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter that I'm definitely gonna keep. This I'm gonna keep. This one I'm gonna keep. I already swatched this. Although the shade is not really that great, but I can work this with other colors, other lip colors. And the brush I'm definitely gonna keep. This is the one that I don't know what to do. So if you know this product, Please let me know. Please leave a comment below because I'm not really happy for this tiny thing for $17.99. So 4 products I'm definitely keeping. And that's it for this month's box. Please let me know what do you think of the box. Please leave a comment below. And I'm very, very thankful that you watched my video today. Thank you very much for watching, and please hit the like button. And if you haven't done it yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know if I have a new video up. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye.